Hello everyone, welcome back to our Java concurrency series. In the previous video, we learned about array blocking queue and so how it is uses enough exercise array to store elements. Today we learn about linked blocking queue, another important implementation of the blocking queue interface. We will explore its internal working, important methods, Java examples, advantages, and compare it with the array blocking queue. Let us start. What is linked blocking queue? Linked blocking queue is a thread-safe queue that stores elements using linked nodes instead of an array. Unlike array blocking queue, it does not require a fixed capacity. If no capacity is specified, it can grow until the available memory is exhausted. Why do we use linked blocking queue? Linked blocking queue is useful when you don't know the exact number of elements that may be produced. It automatically manages synchronization between the producer and consumer threads while allowing the queue to grow dynamically. Now let us say internal working. Linked blocking stores elements as a linked nodes. New elements are inserted at the rear and elements are removed from the front following the first in first out principle. Because it uses linked nodes, it can expand needed until it reaches its specified capacity or a system memory limit. There are two constructors, common constructors. First creates the unbounded queue with the very large default capacity. The second creates the queue with fixed maximum capacity. Choose the constructor based on the application requirement. Linked blocking queue supports all blocking queue methods. The blocking methods automatically wait whenever the queue is full or empty, making producer-consumer communication very simple. This is the example for the linked blocking queue. Here we create a linked blocking queue without specifying the capacity. We insert three elements using put. The take method removes the first insert element because linked blocking queue follows first in first out order. Let us see what happens when the queue is full. If you have specified maximum capacity and the queue becomes full, the producer thread automatically waits until the consumer removes an element. And if the queue is empty, the consumer thread's calling take waits until another thread inserted an element. This automatic blocking removes the need for the manual synchronization. Let us say advantages. Linked blocking queue is ideal when the number of elements isn't known in advance. It grows dynamically and simplifies concurrent programming by managing synchronization internally. Now let us say difference between the array blocking queue and linked blocking queue. Array blocking queue is good choice when the queue size is fixed. Linked blocking queue is more suitable when the workload changes over the time and the queue needs to grow dynamically. Both are thread safe and implements the blocking queue interface. In real world application, it helps manage the task between the multiple thread, makes it useful for background processing, logging, messaging system, and thread pools. These are some of the commonly asked interview questions. Understanding this concept will help you to answer the Java concurrency question confidently in technical interviews. Let us summarize today's session. Linked blocking queue is a thread-safe implementation of a blocking queue that uses linked nodes internally. It supports dynamic growth, follows first in first out ordering, and simplifies communication between producer and consumer threads. In the next video, we will learn about a priority blocking queue where elements are processed based on priority instead of insertion order. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.